Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. It is a premium fitness tracker from Samsung, loaded with health and fitness functions as well as messaging functions. This time we are going to check on some of its cool features. We are going to have tips and tricks with our Galaxy Fit 3. If you want to get the most out of your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, watch this video. Please like and subscribe. Alright, let's start. Our first tip is the dual time or roaming clock. Don't you know you can have at least 2 times here on the watch face? For example, if you want to check the time in UK and you are in Indonesia or Philippines, you can check it here on the watch face. So to be able to do that, you need to download an additional watch face. Let's see if we have it here. Yes, we have it here. As you can see here, we have here the local time and we have the Canada time, Seattle, Canada. As you can see here. So we have the date and we have a different time here. You can access it here on the menu. Let me show it to you. So we have the world clock. Okay, tap on the world clock. As you can see here, edit on phone. So let's have our smartphone here. Then tap on edit on phone. Let's change the time. On our phone, the time. So you can change this one. Let's see. Let's add a different time here. For example, you want the UK time, London. Okay, add. So we have the London time. Let's see. We have it here. I don't know if you can add at least 2 or more time. Let's say we have the Tokyo. Add. Okay, we have it here. As you can see, you can only add 1. Okay, so this is your default and this is the additional time. Maybe if you select the other one, it will change. Let's see. No, did not change. Okay, so if you want to change, you can just tap and change it. Change. About this one, you cannot. This one is fixed. The bottom one, you can change it to other country. So you have it here in the support app, the Galaxy Wearable. We have it here. Then, to be able to have this watch face, you have to go to the Galaxy Wearable. Go to the watch face section. We have the watch face section here. Then look for or download the app. So let's look for that one. We have it here. The name of the watch face is roaming clock. So let's go to the roaming clock. Info for R. Let's go to the R section. I think we have it here. We have the custom watch face here. And we have here the roaming clock. Different colors. So this is the one that you need to download to be able to have a dual time or world time here on your fitness tracker. Again, this is the roaming clock, the dual time option for your wearable. Another personalization option is the option to change the function of this one. Home button selection. You can change this. When you press it twice, as you can see here, we have the weather. So you can change this one just go to the settings. We have the general, I think. We have the orientation. Oh no, not that one. Let's go to the advanced features. We have it here. Double press home button. Tap on that. Let's change. We have here the sports. Go to most recent apps. In our case, let's pick one. Okay. Let's change it to calculator. Okay, so let's start. Let's see. Let's have a demo. Double tap or double press. And we have here the calculator. Very useful feature. Again, that is the home button selection. Again, go to your settings, advanced features, then advanced features, go to double press home button and pick the app here. In our case, we select we choose the calculator. So that's it for the home button selection. Next is the change the orientation of the button. So this one, the default is on the right side, but you can, when you wear it like this, sometimes you accidentally press the home button here or the power button. If you want to wear the wearable, okay, in this position, you can change the orientation of the button. To be able to do that, let's go here on the settings, look for the general orientation, and you can change it left, and it's now located on the left side of your wrist. Okay, instead of here, the power button is on this location. Okay, but the problem is this one. Okay, the top bezel or black border on the wearable is much bigger compared to the bottom part. Okay, and instead of this one, like this, you have now this position. But anyway, if you always accidentally press the power or home button here, you can change it to this position. Okay, let's put it back again. Going back to the position, go back to the settings, go to general orientation, and just select the previous option. So that's it for the change of the orientation of your home or power button. Next, another useful information here for or useful feature for our Galaxy Fit 3 is the SOS. So you can set it here, go to settings, go to safety and emergency, and you can put your medical information here. Activate the emergency SOS. Add on phone, add contacts. You can add your own contacts. If you want to see the demo for this one, we have a video for the Galaxy Fit 3 SOS and fall detection, hard fall detection option. So that's it for our SOS safety and emergency feature. Another useful feature for your Galaxy Fit 3 is the monitoring of food and water intake. It's not just all about heart rate and blood oxygen. Your fitness tracker can also monitor your food and water intake. But of course, you have to manually input the data. So we have here our sleep monitoring. We have food, calorie monitoring. So tap on it. Then you can add your own calories here. Okay, so it's up to you. You have selection here: breakfast, lunch, dinner, morning snack, afternoon snack, and evening snack. That is for those who want to monitor their calorie intake. There's also a cycle tracking, then water intake. So you have it here. You can also set the cup size and the target. So it's a very useful feature, especially for those health buff person. If you want to monitor your water intake or liquid intake, you can use your Galaxy Fit 3 to do that. And it will also show here on the support app. It's not the Galaxy Wearable, but you can check it here on the Samsung Health. So we have here the weekly summary. So it will show you some of your intake. You have here the water intake as well as the food intake. So it's a very useful feature here, especially for those health conscious person. The monitoring of your food and water intake along with women's cycle tracking. Next is the change the orientation of the button. So this one, the default is on the right side, but you can, when you wear it like this, sometimes you accidentally press the home button here or the power button. If you want to wear the wearable, okay, in this position, you can change the orientation of the button. To be able to do that, let's go here on the settings, look for the general orientation, and you can change it left, and it's now located on the left side of your wrist. Okay, instead of here, the power button is on this location. Okay, but the problem is this one. Okay, the top bezel or black border on the wearable is much bigger compared to the bottom part. Okay, and instead of this one like this, you have now this position. But anyway, if you always accidentally press the power or home button here, you can change it to this position. Okay, let's put it back again. Going back to the position, go back to the settings, go to general orientation, and just select the previous option. So that's it for the change of the orientation of your home or power button. The next tip for your Galaxy Fit 3 is the device information or software information. So there are some things here that is not available on the menu, but you can access it, okay, by doing some actions. Okay, for example, I want to access this feature, somewhat like a device, what I call this one, software information. Tap on this, and if you want to test some of the hardware here, you can use this device information here. As you can see, we have the serial number, lag level, fault detection, and we have here the test mode. So you can use this one, you can try this to check on the hardware as well as the other software or feature of the wearable. I'm going to show it to you later on. So we have here sleep start. You can also activate the fall detection here and see if it works. As you can see here, fall detected. Do you need help? Okay. I think the developer or for those technician, they can use this one to check your Galaxy Fit 3 if there's an issue or not. For smartphone, I think this is what they call the debug mode section. So we have here log level, again serial number, software version, as you can see here, Bluetooth address, hardware version, FCC certification, battery information, we also have it here. We have 200 mAh, inactive time reminders, sampling, child off, sleep start, and alert start. For the test mode, here we run the test mode, and as you can see on our next demo, you will see some of the hardware debug mode or debugging mode for the hardware and software. Okay, so again, that is the device info. To be able to access that device info or the debug mode, just go to the About band, software information, double tap, and we have here the device information. Another feature here is the automatic sports recognition. If you want to have an exercise, the fitness tracker can automatically detect whether you are running and doing other exercises. At least 6, I think, exercises is supported. So just go here to the advanced feature. Oh no, not that one. Samsung Health. Then we have here on the bottom part the auto detect workouts. So if you want the automatic detecting of your workout, just activate this one, turn it on. Walking record, location off, running record, elliptical trainer, rowing machine, and pool swimming. So it can detect several sports function. Again, walking, running, elliptical, rowing machine, pool swimming, and dynamic workout with alert option. Okay, so that is the automatic activity tracking for your Galaxy Fit 3. So again, you have seen the additional tips and tricks for your Galaxy Fit 3. Get the most out of your fitness tracker with these tips and tricks for your wearable.